Part 4. How to perform an SEO audit of your published content. In the previous lessons I showed you how to find amazing content opportunities with huge traffic and business potential. And now you also know how to squeeze the most traffic out of these opportunities. So you must be keen to pick a new topic and write an amazing new article for your blog, right? Well, let me stop you right there. If you're looking for a quick win, the best thing you can do is audit the content that you already have on your blog. And here's why. First of all, your published articles may already have some backlinks, which signals to Google that they are cool and deserve to rank, while the new article has to be promoted in order to get some websites to link to it. Secondly, your competitors most likely don't bother updating their content, so if the top-ranking articles for your target keyword seem outdated, you can often outrank them by making your article up-to-date and republishing it as if it was brand new. Google will usually reward fresh content with higher rankings. I see this happen quite often. And finally, your past articles might be simply targeting the wrong keyword and therefore not bringing you any traffic. Figuring out the right searcher intent and re-optimizing your article for the right keyword can do wonders to your search traffic. So here's how you audit your existing content. Go through every published article that you have on your blog and assign it to one of the three following groups. Group number 1, update. These are the articles that already bring you some nice traffic from search. I'm pretty sure each and every one of them could be improved somehow, using the tactics that you've just learned. Even your best performing articles can be updated and improved. Take a moment to think about it. Most bloggers never bother improving their top performing articles, and that's a huge mistake, because the guys who rank below you are most likely working hard to outrank you. Group number 2, merge. It doesn't make much sense to have multiple articles on the same topic. It's always better to have one great in-depth article other than 5 mediocre ones, especially if those duplicate articles have some backlinks. You can use 301 redirects to point these backlinks to your main article on the topic and help it rank better. Group number 3, delete. This group is optional, but here at Ahrefs blog we have deleted nearly half of our old articles. The primary reason for doing that was that these articles were massively outdated and didn't bring any search traffic at all, so deleting them didn't make any difference to our traffic. However, some people believe that getting rid of your underperforming content makes Google love your website more. I cannot prove or disprove that statement, but if I were in charge of Google, I'd definitely use something along these lines as a ranking signal. And that's pretty much it. I'm sure you have many great articles on your blog that could be further improved. Do it and you'll see a nice traffic boost in the next few weeks. And then you can go ahead and publish some new amazing articles using all the tactics and strategies that you've learned so far in this course. Speaking of writing amazing articles, that is exactly what we're going to cover in the very next lesson. Sounds good? Then I'll see you there.